Do you know that IKE Office has an API that allows you to export pull data automatically? Hi, I'm Spencer Hankin, Senior GIS Manager at ikeGPS. And one of my jobs is to make sure that our customers know that they can export pull data automatically using our API. Now, I know a lot of our customers are currently doing exports using our Excel and KML export tools built into IKE Office, which are great for projects that don't require lots of frequent reporting. But if you have a project that's really big or requires reporting every day, we have an IKE Office API that allows you to get all that information automatically. And to get started, you simply need to use your IKE Office login and password. And using that, you can access all the information about the polls, including the IKE photos and the heights of attachment. And using this API, you can do some pretty cool things. Like here in Esri, I've built a dashboard using that API that allows you to pull all that poll information and bring it into a dashboard automatically. So I can see my project status and lots of information about those polls without having to run those exports manually. So if you would like some more information about the API or help getting your project started, let us know and we'd be happy to help.